Well, this is just a quick video talking about just stuff and what to do when you're in the restroom and what do you do? Nothing basically. Use the restroom. And, got more videos coming up, and I wonder what's 2013, and yeah, it's a quick video about 2013, which is basically a week from now. Yeah.